I have a problem. I've taken basically every controller that I own and turned them into Slime-compatible body trackers. And I think I've basically captured everything I possibly can. I've built software that's compatible with the 3DS, PS5 controllers, Wii remotes, nunchucks, and a lot of other controllers. And the scary thing is that it most definitely works in VRChat. Now, it's not perfect, but this is probably the best that controller-based tracking is ever going to be or look. Barring some really big software prediction progress. But, you know what? I still think it's insane how far this project has come. And I think the only logical next step is to move on to making real tracking hardware. So, I'll keep you guys posted on that. What made me create these ungodly contraptions? Well, I've been playing a lot of VRChat, and I want full body tracking. Vive trackers are kind of expensive, so I learned about Slime VR. They're open source and cheaper. Let's see, how much are they in Canadian dollars? Okay, Slime VR are $303 Canadian. I don't have that much money. So I learned that someone made software that lets you use Joy-Cons as Slime VR trackers. I don't have that, so I wrote code that let me use PS5 controllers as Slime VR trackers. So this took about a week. And let's run it. Okay, the first PS5 controller has been detected. And now the second one has. Alright, so the Slime VR software seems to be picking up the controllers. Now, when we rotate the controller, the Slime VR software also seems to be picking up the correct rotations. I am sending the rotation data, well actually I have to convert the accelerometer data and the gyroscope data that the PS4 or PS5 controller has and send it to Slime VR. Okay, we're also going to install a program called OOTrack. OOTrack lets you use your cell phone as a Slime VR tracker. Here's a diagram of my proposed body placement, but apparently you need 5 trackers. So, I wrote code to pretend I have 5. So all my trackers seem to show up, the DualSense shows up, and my fake thigh tracker shows up too. Okay, we're gonna walk around and test these out on our feet. They seem to stay on. I just used a bunch of yarn. Alright, so we're in VRChat. When we put our legs behind us, it seems to work. Putting legs in front of us seems to also work. Alright, let's try stretching. Kinda works. Let's sit down. I mean, getting those kinda weird looking, but I mean, after they settle in, it's looking okay. And let's turn to our side. I mean, still kind of okay, right? Alright, let's try lifting our legs up. And it seems to look okay.